Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a trend matrix or a trend map. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a prospective tool. It got the following characteristics. Basically, allowed you to learn how to uh, prospect new trends and defining futures in the sector that you are working on. It is a method in which we must compare trends, speculate with directions, future, and capture ideas. To generate this tool, we will choose the areas that we are interested in and we will observe. It is very important to understand that this matrix, basically what it does is placing the following aspect in a column: technology, market, people, culture, and business. For each of them, we will have to fill three columns with the trends: past, current, and emerging, always raising for the sector in which we find ourselves. Okay, so the trend matrix or the trend map, it is a tool that is very interesting. It will allow you to understand many different kind of stuff. So the first thing, you can do it analog or you can do it digital, depends really of you, so you can choose. And then you basically can analyze four things: a specific product, a specific service, our enterprise, or something in between. Is really up to you. So this is the matrix, and in this column we will analyze five aspects that are very important: technology, market, persons, cultural, and business. We start with the past. If we want to make a projection, we need to know the roots, we need to know the past. So we need to find information to know what happened before in each one of these aspects. There are some situations where there was nothing done before. I mean, when you are developing something new. Before the smartphone, there was nothing even similar. Before the computer was nothing even similar. So there's no past. However, for many other products or services, we got those specific elements. So it's very important to find out what are we looking for. Then we need to see the present. We also need to look information, to research very deep with all the main components that we will have, and we will point it on a post-it or many post-it. Is really up of how much information we have. And then we got the final column, which is emerging. It means the prospect. So having the information of the past and the present, the idea is that we project what is going to happen. The idea is that if I have a lot of information, I will have a stronger base. However, if I don't have enough information, it will be very hard to project. The idea here is that in each one of these aspects, I can make a projection depending on what I'm looking for and what I want to know. So it's very interesting because in some aspect we will have a lot of information. In some others it will be very challenging because there has not been too much development on that. So it's very important that we are very sure what we want to analyze, then what is going to happen on the past, on the present, and of course make the projection over here. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of this development, the matrix must be a projection of the future analyzed. It's not 100% sure. I have to say that. I have to be very honest with all of you because the projection might be wrong. However, if I have enough information, it could help me to create something very focusing on that. The more information I have from better sources, there is a stronger possibility to make a better projection. Decision must be made crucially to know if it is worth doing all the effort, all the development, all the strategy or business. So it's very important because also you can say, I don't have information, I cannot make this projection. I don't have enough to see what is going to be the trend in construction or computers or anything like that. So it's very important that you are very honest with you. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 Design Thinking and Agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.